So what I've done is I've opened up a new instance of Visual Studio Code, and you can see that nothing is open currently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my terminal using Ctrl and J, and then inside my terminal I'm going to cd into my desktop and into a folder called FM Challenges, and then inside this folder I'm going to create a new React application. So I'm going to say npx create React app, I can type, and then I'm going to call this app dev.to-clone-yt. And then, by the way, I should mention that once we're done with this project, that's when I'm going to commit it to GitHub. Okay, so you're going to have access to the code, and you can check the link in the description for the GitHub repository. And then I'm going to deploy it to Netlify as well, so that you can have access to the demo website. Okay, so I'm going to let this run, and then once it finishes running, then I'm going to be back. Okay, so this has finished running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cd into dev-to-clone-yt, a ridiculously long name, and then I'm just going to say code dot, which is going to open up VS Code into this folder, and then we can begin a bit of cleanup. So I'm going to close this. Okay, let me close this, and then let me open this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this file. So I'm going to delete the app.css, the app.js, the logo, this one, and this one. Just delete them, we don't need them. And then in the index.js, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to remove this because we've deleted this file, and remove the import as well. And then in the index.css, I'm going to remove this line and save it. And then in the app.js, I'm going to remove these two because we've deleted these files. And then we're going to return an h1 that says hello world, like so. And then we can just remove this class name so that we return a fragment. Okay, so we're going to save that, and then I'm going to reset my computer because something is happening that I do not like, but because of the power of editing, you won't even realize.